ब्रो, अपनी पैशन को खोजो। जब तक तुम अपने पैशन को खोजोगे नहीं, तब तक कुछ कर कैसे पाओगे? क्या पता वो पैशन तुम्हारे अंदर ही हो, बस वो निकलना चाहता है बाहर, लेकिन क्योंकि तुम एक लेजी और बेवकूफ हो, इसलिए अपने पैशन को ढूंढ नहीं रहे हो। तुम बहुत सारी चीजें ट्राई नहीं कर रहे हो क्योंकि तुम फेल हो जाओगे। अरे फक ऑफ करो, फेल हो जाओगे। ठीक है ना, फेल हो जाएंगे, क्या दिक्कत है? फेल हो गए तो हो गए, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? बहुत सारे लोग फेल हुए, हम फेल हो गए तो क्या सी बड़ी बात हो जाएगी, है ना? फेल हो जाओ, बोलो फक ऑफ, आई डोंट केयर अबाउट इट, आई जस्ट वांट टू बी फक ऑफ, बिकम सो फक who don't care about anything. He just know about it. I have to do the work, or I don't know anything else. I only focus on my work. I only study about my work and focus on my personal growth. I want to achieve something. I cannot do only like things. I have lots of options to doing. I can do it. You can do it, bro. You can do it. The main problem is that because of you are a lazy and bastard and coward, so that you are not take action. That's the biggest problem you face. I don't tell you, bro, do this like stuff and you can find your purpose. Bro, fuck off. You have no any purpose until you don't go within and find yourself through yourself. Your purpose in your heart. Every purpose. Not practically, it's only for theoretically. You go in your mind and find the purpose in when you are young and what you really love to do it. Find out what you really like to do when you are children, when you are teenager. So find your purpose. If you don't know what is your purpose, अगर तुम्हें पता ही नहीं है मेरा पर्पस क्या है, तो क्यों जा रहे हो वहां पे? तुम्हारा कोई मतलब नहीं है वहां पे जाने, कोई सारा मतलब ही खत्म हो जाता है। तुम्हें पता ही नहीं है कि बेंच में से जाना कहाँ है, और बेफालतू तुम जा रहे हैं। कोई मतलब बनता भी है तो समझो कि पर्पस जरूरी है। भले ही लोग बोले बिन पर्पस की भी जिंदगी अच्छी होती है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। अगर तुम्हारा कोई पर्पस ही नहीं हुआ, या छोटा सा गोल ही बना लो, उसी को पूरा करने में फोकस लगा दो। मैं ये तो नहीं कह रहा तुम्हें बहुत बड़ी चीजें करनी है, महारथी बनना है, ये बनना है, वो बनना है, तुम मुंह में ले लो। कुछ नहीं करना है, तुम बस अपना पर्पस ढूंढना है, उस पर काम करना है बस। क्यों इतना तुम दिमाग खराब करते हो अपने आप का? कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, बहुत छोटी सी बात है, पर इसको समझना बहुत मुश्किल है। इतनी आसानी से नहीं समझा जा सकता। इसमें थोड़ी सी बुद्धि, थोड़ी सी अकल चाहिए, तुम समझ जाओगे। और ये बात सच में तुम समझ जाओगे, पर करो तो सही, कोशिश तो करो, समझ जाओगे, विश्वास तो करो यार। तुम बस ट्राई करते रहो, कुछ ना कुछ मिल जाएगा। अपने आप को बड़ा दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है। असलियत में तुम बहुत छोटे हो, हाइट के हिसाब से नहीं कह रहा मैं। तुम्हारी सोच सोच बहुत छोटी सी है, पर ये दुनिया बहुत बड़ी है। तुम्हारी सोच इतनी सी, पर दुनिया बहुत बड़ी है। पर अब क्या कर सकते? जो करना है सो तुम्हें करना। मैं तो बस कह सकता हूँ कि ये करो, ये नहीं। मैं ये भी नहीं कहूंगा ये मत करो, तुम करो, कुछ सीख जाओगे उससे। सीख जाओगे तो अच्छा होगा। कुछ पता तो चलेगा कि मेरे लिए जरूरी क्या है। जब तुम्हें पता चल जाएगा मेरे लिए जरूरी क्या है, तो चीजें बहुत आसान हो जाएंगी, बहुत। क्योंकि तुम्हें एकदम डायरेक्शन मिल गया है, बहनचोद मुझे वहां पे जाना है। Fuck off. I don't care about other people, what they think about me. I am the god of the Uchiha mother. Bro, become like a mother who want peace in this world. Because he have a goal, purpose. But the way of doing it's wrong. So, first you find your purpose and then do. Don't think about people what they will say. Fuck up, bro. Why you say that? Become so taciturn person. Become a person who is so levity. You don't care about it. You just do whatever you like it. If you feel happy, then express to yourself, not people's. People don't like happiness. They don't like if you are happy. So be happy. Enjoy the life. Life is so amazing. But the most important thing is find your purpose. Without purpose, you cannot do anything. So just try to do it. I'm only telling you this, bro. If you really find your purpose, you can really do something. And that's so easy. Become a person who is so fearless. Yes, fear is so important. Without fear, you die so early. Because fear is so important. But imaginary fear are so fucked off. For example, you want to talk to someone, and if I go to them, what people tell to me? They tell me you are so ugly, that's the fuck up, bro. Fuck off. Remember, no one is care about you because you are totally fucked up. Really, you are so fucked up. Your face, your body, your health, everything is fucked up. So, if anybody judge you, please judged by that person. What matters? If anybody say you are so ugly person, bro, say, don't say anything. Just listen. Yes, bro. I'm in your mind. Yes, I'm so ugly. I have to improve it. I don't need to do anything. If I don't improve it, I become ugly. I have to improve it as a man. You have to build an empire so that your parents live at your empire. So build a good empire. Start by now. Don't think about the perfect moment because in this world, perfect moment doesn't exist. Only perfect moment exists in your mind. So your mind is totally fucked up. So don't listen your mind. Don't say I will do tomorrow. Fuck off tomorrow. Start by now. Don't think about tomorrow. Okay. I don't tell you lots of things. I only just say find your purpose. It is enough. That's the important thing. If you don't find your purpose, you do anything. You don't know what is happening with my life. I'm taking drugs and like stuff. I'm doing masturbate and like bad things. If you're doing something, just enjoy it. Just enjoy every single moment. Totally enjoy the every single moment in your life. That's the meaning of life. So enjoy. Just enjoy as well as find your purpose and earn money, bro. Money is so important.